If you need landlord insurance for your DSCR loan, there's a few important things to understand about landlord insurance guidelines from different DSCR lenders. So most lenders are going to have a dwelling requirement or dwelling coverage that needs to be at least the loan amount. A lot of lenders will actually require it to be replacement cost or higher than the loan amount, which will increase your premium. So choosing a DSCR lender may have an impact on how much you need to pay in your annual insurance premium. The next coverage is going to be general liability. So a lot of DSCR lenders require $500,000 per occurrence and $1 million in the aggregate of general liability insurance. That's, let's say if one of your tenants gets into an accident on the property and you get sued, right? So some DSCR lenders, including OfferMarket, only require $100,000 of general liability insurance, which will save you a bunch of money on your annual premium. Again, obviously there's a trade-off that you'll make between lower coverage and higher coverage, higher premium for higher coverage, higher risk or lack of protection for lower coverage. And then finally, there's going to be a loss of rent or business interruption insurance requirement. It's either going to be 6 months of rent, either your actual rent that's in your lease or the rent that's in your appraisal report, otherwise known as your market rent opinion, or it will be 12 months of rent coverage. And that's not really an expensive coverage. So anyway, if you want landlord insurance, OfferMarket Insurance is a great way to shop for the most competitive landlord insurance policy that meets your DSCR loan guidelines from your lender. And if you need a DSCR loan, OfferMarket Capital is arguably the most competitive DSCR lender in the country. And you can go to offermarket.us/loans and offermarket.us/insurance. Thanks so much and have a great day.